I stopped buying bread after I found this amazing recipe with Coca-Cola. Start by adding 650 grams of wheat flour in a large bowl. Then, add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of refined sugar, 10 grams of dry yeast powder, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1 egg, 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola, and mix everything very well. When you can no longer mix with the spoon, start kneading with your hands until the ingredients combine. When that happens, transfer the dough to a table and knead for another 5 minutes or until it's smooth and uniform. This is the right consistency. Now, wrap the dough in plastic wrap, take it to the fridge, and let it rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, on a sheet of parchment paper, add 250 grams of butter cut into pieces, just like mine. Then fold the paper over the butter. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Cover everything with another piece of paper. Flip it over, and using a rolling pin, stretch out the butter until it turns into a single layer, smooth and not too thick, just like this. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for 20 minutes. After this time has passed and the dough has cooled, roll it out until not too thin nor too thick. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now. Type that recipe and download it. Now add the butter we prepared earlier, fold the dough over the butter, slightly stretch it out again with the rolling pin, fold the dough, just like I'm doing, wrap it in plastic wrap, place in the fridge, and let it chill for another 20 minutes. After this time has passed, stretch out the dough with the rolling pin once more, fold it again, wrap it in plastic wrap, take it to the fridge and let it chill for another 30 minutes. After this time has passed, stretch out the dough once again, roll it out into a rectangular shape, making sure it's not too thick nor too thin, just like mine. Then divide it in half, cut it into triangles, and set aside. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. After that, in a small bowl, add 200 grams of condensed milk, 100 grams of walnuts, chopped into small pieces, and mix. Now place this mixture over the triangular pieces of dough and spread it. Once you've done that, in a round baking pan lined with parchment paper, add a sanitized 350 milliliter can of soda with the top cut off, just like mine, and place the pieces of dough around it, just like I'm doing. Add 200 milliliters of water into the can. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 35 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.